What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. So today's video, side skirt finally came in, so we'll be installing that. I'm also going to do the oil change on the 335. I still haven't done the oil change on it ever since I got it, so we're going to go ahead and do that. I'm probably going to top off some other fluids, I think coolant, and it needs some washer fluids. I don't know if I ever gave you guys like a close-up on what's wrong with my side skirt. So you guys remember my door was hit and it impacted the side skirt a little bit. You guys can see right here, it goes in and it's like scuffed all the way on the bottom here, and I wasn't too worried about this because I could have just heated it up and hit it out, but it's scuffed up everywhere. I was like, whatever, $100, got a new side skirt, same color, everything. So we're gonna be installing that. So without further ado, I'm gonna get my car in the back over the oil pit, and while I let that drain, I'm gonna go ahead and start taking off the old side skirt and putting on the new one. Also give you guys a little cold start here. I don't think I've done that yet. We got the car up here over the oil pit. So I just remembered I want to give it a little oil treatment. There's these little things you could buy at AutoZone or O'Reilly's. I think even Walmart sells them, but it's a oil treatment you put inside your oil before you change the oil, and you let it run for about 5 minutes. So I want to go ahead and do that, since who knows what's happened to this car before. I don't know anything from the previous owner, so I want to treat the car, treat the engine well, clean it out perfectly, and then after that we'll dump all the oil out and then add the new oil. So let's go I'm gonna go to AutoZone because that's where I got it last time for my E90. So I'm gonna go ahead and get some of that. We'll come back, get the oil change done, get the side skirt done, and go from there. I'd take the quiet E90 out today. I'll show you guys why it's quiet. That is exactly why I call it a quiet E90. Some of you guys are probably wondering why I got an automatic 335. Well, main reason is because I already have a manual E90, so you know, you got to get the dose of everything. You got to balance it out. So when I get bored of automatic, I just come to this. as much fun as manual cars are, let's be honest, automatics are the ones that win races. So yeah, that's another reason why I got the 335 in auto. Here it is. This is the stuff. Oof, 3 miles left. Think we'll make it? We made it, guys. We made it. It doesn't want to stop. So premium where I live right now, it's at $2.07. Comment down below the gas prices for you guys. Honestly, it's not too bad here, but it fluctuates a lot. So, all right, guys, just got back home. Let's go ahead and add the good stuff. Run the engine for about 5 minutes ish, and then we'll flush all the oil out. Dang, this stuff is thick. Alright, I'm gonna wait 5 minutes and then we'll turn it off and flush all the oil out. Okay guys, so this is actually the next day. It ended up getting dark on me. I finished changing my oil. It's whatever. You guys probably seen enough of oil changes on YouTube. If you haven't, there's a bunch. So you guys can look at those if you want to. So for the main part of this video was changing the side skirt. So I'm gonna go ahead, jack the car up and start doing that right now actually. Alright guys, you got the old one off. Let's go ahead and put on the new one. Alright guys, we got the new side skirt on. It's looking amazing. Way better than the other one, obviously. It only took about like 20, not even 20 minutes to install. Easy little DIY. So this will probably be like the last episode of the rebuilding episodes. Just because I'm pretty much done rebuilding this car. So from now on, I'm just gonna do like little mods and you know, just things to make this look better, faster, all that good stuff. So that concludes today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Thanks for the support. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.